Hey guys, so I wanted to show you a quick example of Nordvpn's customer support, and so you can see how well they really do at taking care of you if you have a problem that comes up. So in this example, it was a problem with Netflix. I wasn't able to connect to the UK server in a way where Netflix was showing the UK library. It was either showing the US library, or if I logged out and tried to log back in, it wasn't recognizing me, and I had to actually disconnect from the VPN altogether to try to log back into Netflix. So that's where I reached out to Nordvpn and said, hey guys, can you help and get things working here? So sure enough, they did a fantastic job. And so I just wanted to kind of scroll through the chat here just so you get an idea. Sometimes when you're considering a VPN, it's just nice to know what's it like to actually use the VPN, to use the customer support and so forth. And that's why I'm always talking about Nord as being one of the best, because their support is outstanding. So in this example, what he had me do is actually run a DNS leak test. So that's what brought me over here. And that's where I was sending a couple screenshots to him just to show what was going on. And then ultimately, he had me do changing and updating the DNS servers. And so I followed the guide for Mac users here. And it was real simple. Just kind of click this and click advanced and add in, the correct DNS servers. And then once I was able to do that, then I went back over to Netflix and was able to log in just fine. So in the past, when I connected with a UK server, the part of the UK library was you were able to watch Doctor Who. But now when I was connecting to it, Doctor Who wasn't available. So I kept thinking, okay, there's a problem. And what was neat, the support agent actually looked into that for me and realized that Doctor Who is no longer available. So he was like, hey, sorry about that. And I'm like, okay, that makes sense. Then I realized that, okay, The Office now is available in the UK library, and it's no longer available in the US library, which was kind of frustrating, where maybe you're starting to watch The Office or you want to watch it again, and you're used to it being a part of the US library, and then it disappears. And now the only way to watch it, or a way to watch it, would be to watch it from the UK library. So now the UK library has both The Office, the US version, and the British version of The Office. It's all in the UK library, and the US library doesn't have any of it. So anyway, that's where I was able to confirm, okay, everything's working, and it was great. So just a really cool experience. Again, this was Tate, so shout out to Tate from Nordvpn. Did an excellent job, and really appreciate that. It's just consistent with my experience with them whenever I have an issue. But I just wanted to give you this live example in case you're considering NordVPN or just wondering what their support is like. Now, as always, I'll put links down below if you are looking at picking up Nord. Of course, any of the best deals, discounts, coupon codes I can get for you guys, I'll put that down in the description as well. And if you have any questions, whether it's about Nord or another VPN, feel free. Always, let me know down in the comments. I'm always happy to answer any questions I can. But otherwise, thanks so much for your time. Really appreciate it. And I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.